Okay, well, we're at the spot. We are hunting the river, and we've set out probably 5 dozen decoys. Like, it is huge. It's 30 degrees. The wind's blowing kind of from our back to our side. We're gonna sit right here in this big pot of cattails, and yeah, there's some other boys hunting right across the lake from us, and there's 2 other boats. We ain't seen them yet, but we heard some birds. So there's birds in the area. We seen 150 birds here yesterday, so we just was like, okay, we're gonna throw a big spread out. So we're gonna see what happens. So we're gonna pack it up. We've only seen a bunch of sandhills, a few groups of migrating geese, hardly any ducks. We've seen like a 3-pack and like 2 big groups of ducks. Don't know why they're not here, but I don't know. But there's 1 pot of decoys, and there's the other big pot of decoys. You can see way out there, there's actually way out there right now, I see a big flock of rather geese or cranes. We've been seeing them all morning, so I don't know. We ain't seen no ducks, and we're cold, and yeah, we're gonna go do a little bit of scouting, and we're gonna see what we see. So stay tuned.
Out of here.
Gadwall down. First duck came right in.
Look at his ass. I can't believe I missed 2 fucking shots.
Kill it.
He's still
Kill
alive.
him
Kill
again.
him. That one got him.
Well, we're back out here on the lake. It is a big cold front coming in, and if you guys didn't see on the boat ride, we did see some spook up some mallards. Basically, just a big pile of fucking of decoys right here in the kill hole. They're like, we can't put them out too far because they're float away, which some of them looks like they are. So there's some mallards around. There's 4 groups of people out, and we got a big blind right here we built out of brush piles and fence posts and burlap. But yeah, here's the nothing but puddle ducks, because we tried to put divers out and it's just too deep for them. So we got pintails, gadwall, and mallards all through here. 1 mojo, 1 butt splasher, and yeah, basically just throw a spread out, and yeah, try to fill this try to bring something in. So stay tuned, see what happens. Look at them all.
Holy crap, dude.
Dead right here. Holy shit. Get fucking ready. Well,
He's overhead. He fucking died.
anyways, back what I was saying, that group just came in, last minute. They decided, oh, there's people standing there in that blind. We didn't. We shot. We missed. They landed out in the middle. We had this single. I didn't know he was coming in. So I was like, oh, I want to do a video. And yeah, supposedly there was a mallard, Hey, look, there he is.
Where? Where?
Up high. Just flew over our head. Anyways, yeah, stay tuned. It might get good right here. So for an update, we had another group. It's kind of slow. We're still seeing birds, but we had another group of mallards circle us, worked us. They finally just went out in the middle of the lake and finally just went down the channel too. And also, we seen a few divers here and there, but Simon, he was looking. He was like, "What kind of ducks have white bills?" I was like, "It'd be a coot." Where they at? He's like, "They're sitting right on the bank." We don't know where they came from, but there was 3 coots sitting right there next to that log on the bank. So basically, by the end of it, they're all dead. But yeah, it's been kind of slow. A good morning. We've seen a lot of birds, and we've worked a lot of mallards and stuff, but we're going to take whatever we get. So 3 coots, that's fine. Of course you can't eat them, but and I hope after shooting at them mallards and not cutting a feather, 3 coots at 5 yards, they're going to die. So yeah, that's just our mid-morning update. Hopefully some divers or something comes in, maybe some more mallards. That'd be good. So we're going to stick it out for a little longer. We're trying to make a game plan to figure out what we're going to do tomorrow morning. And this coming week, it's supposed to be a big cold front, so hopefully I get to hunt it. So yeah, other than that, that's all we've seen. Good morning, but slow. So stay tuned.